Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. I hope you all are fine and are staying indoors. So we were done with the chapter, the questions that were in the chapter only, and now we are going to start the textual questions. And it's on page 183. Okay, so I am just going to make you write from here because I have written the questions as well. So the question number 1 is, why are the worn out tires discarded? Okay, students, I am just making you write the answers only because I hope I have make you understood the entire chapter. Okay, so when the tires are worn out, okay, why are they discarded? The question is, जब tires जो worn out होते हैं हम उनको क्यों change कर देते हैं? Because when the tires are worn out, their grooves disappear due to the constant use. This reduces the friction between friction between tires and road. The reduced friction increases the speed of vehicles, resulting the chances of accidents. That is why worn out tires are discarded. Now the second is, why do carom coins move faster on carom board when dusted with talcum powder? When carom board is dusted with talcum powder, the friction between the carom coins and the surface of carom board reduces. Thus, the carom coins move faster on the carom board. Now, the third question is, why is the surface of conveyor belt made rough? Okay, the answer is, conveyor belts are used in the mechanical machines at railway stations or airports to carry passengers' luggage. The belts are made rough to increase the friction between the belt and the pulley so that to slow down the speed of the machine. Due to the slow speed, no luggage slides over another, and this makes the passenger easy to carry their luggage. Now the fourth question is, why is the sieving machine often oiled? Constant use of sieving machine makes the surface of its moving parts irregular. That increases the friction, resulting in its slow speed and more energy wastage. A less viscous oil acts as a lubricant in the machine that makes the surfaces smooth, reducing the friction, less energy usage, but more and faster work. That is why sieving machine is often oiled. Now the fifth question here is, why do new automobiles tires have deep grooves? Okay, the tires with deep grooves are the kind of irregular surfaces since the friction is caused due to the interlocking irregularities of two surfaces. Then there is a full stop here. The friction between the tires and the road increases. This slows down the speed of the vehicle, resulting in the less chances of accidents. It also helps apply the brakes safely. Now, sixth is, why does a ball rolling on a ground slow down? When the ball rolls on the ground, a part of the ball and the ground surface gets continuously deformed, thereby increasing the rolling friction between the two. The increase in the rolling friction reduces the speed of ball. Since a limiting force is applied to the ball, it slows down after moving a small distance. The seventh question is, why are the boats and aeroplanes given special shape? The boats and the aeroplanes is given a special shape so that the friction between the water for boat, that means in case of boat, and for air for aeroplane is reduced to a large extent. This also offers the least resistance to the air and water and helps them to move or fly with a lot of speed. The eighth question is, I hope that's all for today, students. Just write it. Okay.